Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be fishing. Let's go.
Is that fishing?
Where? There's nothing there. Alright, let's cast some. We're using bait. Yes, bait is the only thing that works in this pond. This pond. It's the only thing that works in this pond. Do you not understand?
Yeah.
Alright, bait down.
Morning, how are you?
No, yeah. Wait. No. Yeah, there's bass in there.
I'm trying to get a solid white tuna. I keep getting the trunk wet and I throw it back. Now are those birds? The black? Yes. Wow. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. When you see them diving in, then you'll notice there's something in there.
Big bluegill. Massive bluegills in this pond.
Yeah.
Eagles.
Oh, there's one.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, you not see him? Oh, we're doing a shallow one. We're getting them all. Trust. We're going for bluegills. Go for bluegills. Just goaded. Bluegills are good. Nope. We can tell this one what. Just keep spitting it out. Alright. Or they all ran away. Alright, catch it out there. Right out there. Bites. Biggie. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's a nice one too.
What is
Yeah, boys. There you go, take a picture. Got one bit. I already got a picture. Let's go. That bluegill, bro. That thing's massive.
Yes.
That thing's massive, bro. I got more weeds too. Pull those weeds off. Yeah. Come out, weeds. Oh, we can flop.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah, it's no point if you hold it. Very big, bro. Yeah, bro.
What's it called?
I don't need gloves. I never bought one anyways. Move over to the bank. I don't touch bluegills, I touch bass. I'll unhook them. That's what I do. Unhook them. You don't need to touch them. You have spines. Sharp. Sharp and deadly. Sharp and deadly spines, yeah. You never knew that?
Not the teeth.
No, they don't have teeth. Right over there. Bluegills? Right. Nibbles. Again? Trust me. This is like the spot for bluegills. Oh, shoot. What about the girls? She brought my goated sisters. Well, the day. Would have been the day. I don't really touch bluegills. They have sharp spines. Well, I missed them. What are you eating my sinker for? This thing's eating my sinker. Why did I say sinker? Why is it eating my split shot? It's eating my freaking sinker. Let's hold it. Just my part. Oh, this muck. On it.
They're just hanging around here. They're waiting for you.
No, they're waiting for the worms. That's the only thing that works in this pond, guys. Oh yeah. Show me the pond. container. Natural red crawler from Walmart. Red worm from Walmart.
Bring a towel.
No. Yeah, there's one on the side of my thing.
Water.
I know.
They're just waiting for you.
Look at that one.
Yeah.
Yes. There's some massive bluegills in this pond. I'm not lying. Caught some massive ones here before. What is that noise? I keep hearing something dropping in the water.
Maybe something.
This is my video. You can talk to. Alright, so right about there. Yeah. There's a bluegill spot over there. There's some bites. Instant bites. Where do you got bites? Oh. Slingshotted, I know. They're hanging around over there. Right in the weeds. Oh, you can see them too. Alright. Go this way over here. More further out. Just bluegills just rain straight to it. Yeah, big one too. Biggie. Big bluegill. Biggie green. Big bluegill. I swear, during the summer, these bluegill are just crazy in this pond. Why are you eating my split shot again? I swear. Nibbling at split shot. These things are nibbling at it. Another worm. Oh my cool Crocs. Yeah. Alright. Okay, going on. Split it in half. Split it, or just cut it. Whatever, rip it in half. And then you just hook it on. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, recast out with the worm. Oh, there's a big one too. Should be on there. See, everything be on there. Clear water. And no fish are around. Alright, no, oh. Oh, they actually run into it. Line in the water? Yeah. Where? We catch a small one. See some more back there. Last fish. Just keep casting out there. Right over there. That's where all the fish are. That moved. Small as dirt. Nope. Looks like they'll move this way. Let's go right now. Yep. Alright, right there. Alright, bite again. Alright, pop. Popping. A little bit left. Got one. Oh, that's a big one too. Oh, that's water. Let's go, boys. Caught another.
It's the same guy.
No, it's not.
No.
Might be. Pretty big one too.
Oh, there's scales?
There's scales. Every fish has scales except for trout. Let's go. Alright, do you hook him?
Oh,
I got a picture. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna grab him, I guess. Diego. Let's play fishy. No. I shake him off. It's not working. Splash. Alright, now I'm gonna switch to lures. I'm thinking we should use pretty clear water. Okay. So switch to this one. We're gonna go with the glove. We're gonna go with the glove. Weight grub. That's a weight grub. With a weight grub. Yes. Let me just switch out. Wait, did they keep nibbling on? See the tree of lines.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, that's a bird. My little weight grub. Put him on the end. Hopefully a bluegill comes and eats him. Let's see. Usually all the fish in this pond just eat worms, including the bass for some reason. I got it. Alright, cast it out there. Or hook. Line. Dude, what are we hooked onto? This line. Wait, we can get this out. Let's see if we get the line out. Dude, we're just like hooked on line. No, we're not. I might have to take off my barrel swivel. Might have to take off my barrel swivel. What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, a bird?
No, I don't think so.
Is that a bird? Ooh. Alright, got big fish in the water. Big fish in the water. Don't slip. Just lob it. Oh my gosh, we got hooked onto the line again. Right, take it. Oh, ran away. I think somewhere over there. The line is still in the water. Here's more slop. I know. I'll do this. This is why. Oh. Where?
School.
See?
The other side.
Oh. Oh, piggy. Green sunfish. See, lob the thing out there. Oh, that's a tree. Glide it. Okay, there we go. Did I just catch? I did catch it. Will we catch it? Will we catch a bluegill with a lure? Let's find out. I don't see him. Pop. Just scared. Oh. Okay. You can tell they don't like lure. One thing they do like is the worm. Put out there one more time. What was that? You did that? Something I should just go after it. So I just went after it for a second. Yeah, I guess something's following it. Yep, something's following it. That's following it. Clean though. Good. Alright, let's recast. Right back out there. Cover. Sit. Ooh, ooh, we just got a bite. That was a bite. Always just let it sit there for a minute. That was a bite. Now they're all swarmed. There's one location. What is that? It's like bigger. Oh, that's bass. I see bass. Let's see, can you catch that bass? Well, it just sucked. Well, I'm stuck in weeds. That's great. Guys, we caught some weeds. Let's go. We just move it to a rock. There's a log in the water. We cast it right to the log. It should work then. I don't know if you can see, but there's a log in the water. I wish you can see it though. You cast it straight to the log will work. Look. This way. Maybe this way. Oh shoot. Snag. What is happening with my reel? Poke it out. I ain't gonna do that. Hold my hand. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We got it back. Going one grub. Was that a big video? Yes. That's a tree. That's a tree. Put it. Sit right there. Sit right on the rock. This ain't a rock, it's a tree. Right through the cover too. I have to make a weedless scrub. We gotta make a weedless scrub. Right. We should make a weedless scrub, I swear. I think I was just chasing it. Oh, right through cover again. catch this out there. Alright. Oh, it's in the weeds, it's in the weeds. Alright, oh, there's weeds. Turtle, oh shoot, they got turtles now. There's turtles. Swim away. I secretly despise turtles. Especially when using bait to fish. Because all they do is go after a worm. Alright, so we're gonna catch nothing with this now. There's a little fishy over here, eat it. Just want to do this one. Alright, let's put a worm on this. Put a worm with the grub. Put a worm on there. Put a worm on a jig head. A worm on a jig head. Oh, now they all come. That's cool. Oh, that's a biggie. That one. Massive. But gone by the time, yep, that's gone. I know they want a worm. They want the water in it. And I put a bobber on it. I know what I'm doing. What are they eating in the water? There are these worms again. That's the only thing they have to eat in this pond. Alright.
Right. How many can? This.
Good. Oh, biggie. Big bluegill. Massive. He's chasing it.
came back. Huh? Now it's the other one's turn.
This is where I'm gonna end my video. So, bye guys. See you later.